Lesson 42, estimating with scientific notation. These are estimating multiple numbers or estimating large numbers into scientific notation. There are 3 steps to solving these problems. Step 1, begin by rounding each number to 1 digit. Begin by rounding each number to 1 digit. Step 2, write each rounded number in scientific notation. Write each rounded number in scientific notation. And step 3, multiply coefficient numbers and add the exponent. Right, so the 3 steps begin by rounding each number to 1 digit, write each rounded number in scientific notation, and multiply coefficient numbers and add the exponent. Let's do a few examples. The first example, 16 times 5,280 times 5,280 times 5,280 times 12 times 12 times 12. You'll notice these are the same numbers used in the very last example in lesson 41. We're going to estimate the product. So we're going to start with our steps. Step 1, we're going to round each number to 1 non-zero digit. So 16 will be rounded to 20. 5,280 will be rounded to 5,000, and we'll do that all 3 times. And 12 will be rounded down to 10. Okay, so we've rounded each digit, each number, so that there is only 1 non-zero digit. The next step is to write each rounded number in scientific notation. Okay, so 20 becomes 2 times 10 to the first. 5,000 becomes 5 times 10 to the third, and we're going to do that for all 3. And 10 will be 1 times 10 to the 10th, or 1 times 10 to the first. And the last step is to multiply each coefficient and add the exponents just like we would in simplifying scientific notation. So we're going to multiply the coefficient numbers first. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 times 5 is 250. And 250 times 1 is itself. Then we're going to add the exponents. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So we have 250 times 10 to the 13th. I should have gone ahead and added 1 extra step. Go ahead and add a step 4 if you wish. We're going to simplify back into proper scientific notation. So if we simplify 250 to proper scientific notation, it's going to be 2.5 times 10 to the 15th. So we move this decimal 2 places to the left, which means we add 2 to our exponent. That was example number 1. Let's go ahead and do another example. We have 3,728 times 470,165 times 10 to the negative 14th, all over 278,146 times 0.000713 times 10 to the negative 5th. Step 1, we're going to round each number to 1 digit. So, first of all, 3,728. That will be rounded to 4,000. 470,165 times 10 to the negative 14th is going to be 500,000 times 10 to the negative 14th. $278,146 will be 300,000. And 0.00713 times 10 to the negative fifth will be 0.0007 times 10 to the negative fifth. Next, we're going to put each number in scientific notation, or the ones that are already in scientific notation, we're going to put in the proper scientific notation. So 4,000 becomes 4 times 10 to the third. 500,000 becomes 5, and it's going to be times 10 to the negative 9th, because we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. So it's going to be 5 times 10 to the negative 9th. 300,000 becomes 3 times 10 to the fifth. And 0.0007 becomes 7 times 10 to the negative 9th, because we are going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 places, because we're moving our decimal to the right. Then we need to multiply the coefficients and add the exponents. So 4 times 5 is 20. And if we add the exponents, 3 plus negative 9 is negative 6. Then we're going to multiply 3 times 7, which is 21. And we add our exponents, 5 plus negative 9 is negative 4. Now we have 20 over 21. Since we've been estimating, we're going to go ahead and simplify this 21. We're going to estimate it back down to 20. So that when we divide, we have 20 divided by 20, which is 1. And when we divide, we subtract the exponents. So it's going to be negative 6 minus a negative 4, which would actually be 1 times 10 to the negative second. So that is the estimated solution for our problem. This example, I want you to go ahead and copy down and come up with a solution, and we will check it when you come into class.